website and you love it, but running your business? Still stressful. Missed calls, no instant chat replies, manual estimates, no automation. Your website looks good, but it doesn't work smart. What if you could keep your website, but still use all of Webbry's powerful tools? No redesign, no starting over, just pure upgrades. Introducing Super Apps by Webbry, powerful tools you can install directly on your existing website. No rebuilding, just instant superpowers. First, My Work Manager. Running your business from the truck seat? Losing bids? With My Work Manager, send estimates, get e-signatures, and collect payments all from your phone. Win more jobs. Work from anywhere. Second, InstaConnect. Turn visitors into leads in seconds. InstaConnect adds instant chat and lead alerts to your website so you never lose a customer again. Third, Call Genie. Too busy to answer calls? Call Genie answers for you. She records customer requests, sends them to you, and keeps your customers informed automatically. No coding, no stress. Just pick the Super Apps package and our team installs everything ready to go. All 3 Super Apps. One-time setup, just $499. Don't rebuild your website, upgrade it. Add Super Apps and turn your normal site into a revenue-generating, customer-winning machine. Visit our website and click Install Super Apps on my website to get started today.